In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Forex Sessions indicator on Tradingview. If you're looking to gain insights into different trading sessions and enhance your trading strategy, then this tutorial will guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to Tradingview in your web browser. Tradingview is a great platform for all your technical analysis needs, and setting up the Forex Sessions indicator will further amplify its power. Once you have Tradingview loaded, locate and click on the Indicators tab at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to accessing a wide array of tools that Tradingview offers to supercharge your market analysis. After opening the Indicators tab, direct your attention to the search box that appears. Here, type in FX Market and press Enter. This will filter the results down, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Now, in the results that are displayed, find and click on the FX Market Sessions option. This is the key indicator that we're going to be setting up today. It highlights the various Forex sessions directly on your chart, allowing you to view time zones in the market at a glance. Upon clicking it, you'll notice that the indicator is swiftly applied to your chart. You'll begin to see a clear breakdown of the Asian, European, and American sessions right there. With the indicator now visible, let's move on to customizing it to fit your trading needs. Go ahead and click on the Settings button, which is usually a gear icon next to the indicator name at the top of the chart. This settings menu is where you can precisely adjust how the indicator behaves and displays data. Within the settings menu, pay attention to the Inputs tab first. This is where you can input specific data or preferences that define how the indicator will perform. Then you have the Style tab, which allows you to adjust the visual aspects, such as the colors and thickness of the session lines. Personalizing these elements will help you better align the chart visuals with your own style, making it easier to interpret at a quick glance. Finally, the Visibility tab can be adjusted, allowing you to determine on which timeframes the indicator is visible. This customization will ensure that you're not overwhelmed with information when it's not necessary. A useful tip here is to adjust the time using the time zone feature to ensure it matches your trading hours and region. This adjustment helps in aligning the Forex sessions accurately with your current trading strategy. That's it. With the Forex Sessions indicator set up on Tradingview, you're now equipped with a powerful tool to navigate the Forex markets more effectively. Remember, understanding when these sessions open and close can be crucial to executing or planning your trades.